Hello everyone, this is Dr. MK Kaushik. I am CEO of Vibha. We have a flagship program called Vibha Vidya where we skill students from engineering colleges, degree colleges and even schools. Why skilling is so important? If you see, tech giants like Mark Zuckerberg of Facebook, Elon Musk of Tesla and several CEOs of other companies, what they are telling is skills are more important than your college degrees. That is what the importance of skills are. And we as a company, we also believe that if you have skills, then you have confidence of cracking any interview. So we want to concentrate on improving the skills of Indian youth. That is why we have introduced Vibha Vidya concept. In Vibha Vidya, we are introducing at least 8 to 10 courses which are required by industries. These courses will enhance your skills and you will be ready to face any kind of interview. This course is totally for 25 days. For first 15 to 20 days, we will be skilling in your course, whichever course you select. In that period only, you will be getting so many assignments from our trainers. At the same time, after 15 days or 20 days of coursework, 1 week will be your project period, where you will be working on live project. And this Vibha Vidya is a live training program. It's not a recorded sessions. We are doing live training. Why? Because we understand if you have a mentor who is teaching you and who is clearing your doubts while you are preparing your for your programming, then it will be very easy for you. So by keeping that in mind, by considering industry requirements, we have designed this Vibha Vidya and we are giving it as a package for 20-25 days with lots of assignments and industry ready projects. So why are you waiting for it? And the price is very low. For these 20 days, we are charging only 500 rupees, which comes around 18 rupees or 20 rupees per day. You just think what we are bringing to you people. The registration link is in the description. Please register to the link. After you register, our team will be calling you people and they'll be explaining and they'll be clearing all your doubts regarding Vibha Vidya program. I hope you all register, skill yourself and become skillful people for the industry. Why? Because industries are always telling graduates coming out from colleges are not industry ready. Let's change this. Let's change this by involving in this kind of programs. And one more highlight of this program is we are going to do peer learning. Okay, so don't miss this chance. We are giving it for a low cost. At the same time, for 20 days we are going to give you live training sessions. Register for the link which is given below. Thank you very much.